Have you ever felt stuck? Like, no matter what you do, things just don't grow. You feel sad, and you don't know why. This is a very old story. It is about two seeds and a wise gardener. It will help you understand why you feel this way. And it will show you a simple path to peace. Once, there were two seeds. They fell from the same tree. They landed side by side in the same soft soil. The first seed looked up. It saw the tall, strong tree. It felt the warm sun. It heard the birds singing high above. Seed thought, I want to feel that sun. I want to reach for the sky. It felt a small hope. The second seed also looked up. It saw the same tall tree, but it felt afraid. The journey is so long. What if I fail? It felt only fear. The rains came. Water soaked the earth. The first seed thought, this water is a gift. It will help me grow. It pushed a tiny root down, pushed a tiny shoot up. It was not easy. The dirt was heavy, but it kept going. The second seed felt the same water. It thought, this water is too much. It will drown me. The dirt is a prison. It curled up tight inside its shell. It decided to stay safe. It did nothing. Weeks passed. The first seed became a small, green plant. It felt the sun on its leaves. It grew stronger, day by day. Sometimes the wind was strong. Sometimes animals walked by. But the plant was rooted. It could bend, but it did not break. The second seed was still a seed. It was safe in its shell, but the soil felt dark and cold. It felt more stuck than ever. One day, a wise gardener came to the forest. She saw the small green plant and the seed next to it. She sat down and gently touched the soil. The seed in the ground spoke. Its voice was a small whisper. Why am I so unhappy? The world is dark. I feel nothing but fear. The gardener smiled, a gentle smile. She did not scold the seed. She spoke in a soft, kind voice. Little seed, she said, you are not a prisoner of the ground. The ground is not your enemy. It is your foundation. You see the journey as a struggle, but the plant, ... it saw the journey as a purpose. The same sun shone on you both. The same rain fell on you both. The only difference was in your mind. You believed the world was heavy, ... So you stayed small. The other seed believed it was strong. So it began to grow. Your mind, little seed, is the gardener. What you believe becomes your world. There was a long, quiet pause. The seed in the ground listened. For the first time, it understood. The problem was not the dirt. The problem was not the rain. The problem was the story it told itself. The seed felt a tiny spark of courage. It was a small feeling deep inside. Maybe the ground could support it. Maybe the journey was possible. It made a choice, a small, brave choice. It pushed a tiny, tiny root downward. Your mind is the gardener of your life. What you choose to believe and the thoughts you water will always become your reality. If this story brought you a moment of peace, please press the like button. It helps this garden of wisdom grow. Subscribe to our channel for more simple stories to calm your heart. In the comments below, write just one word for how you are feeling right now. And please share this video with one friend who might need to hear this today. Thank you, and be at peace.